Hi friends, I am back with this new amazing tutorial. In this video I am going to show how to edit neon white circle photo editing. It is very beautiful, okay, as you seen in thumbnail, exactly like you are going to edit. Now I am going to teach how to edit. Now let's check the video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart and you have to select the neon circle black color background. I will give link in the description, you can go and download it there. Okay friends, this is the background I am going to use. Okay, now directly you have to add your model image. I am going to add one photo and after that I am going to cut the background. Okay, I will show how to do it. Now go to add photo and select your model image. In this position I have to add your photo. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use now. Now what I am doing is, now go to adjust and I have to do some adjustments. Okay, and after that you can proceed for the editing. Decrease the saturation, decrease some highlights, give some shadow to the image. Okay, decrease some temperature. Now tap on tick and after this directly go to cutout and simply cut the background. Okay, now tap on this arrow. Friends, you have to fill these remaining portions. Okay, it will take time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Okay, done. Now we have to arrange this model image. Okay, we have to arrange like this. Okay, arrange it like this. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is, you have to go to draw. Okay, go to draw and select this brush and tap on this first. Okay, and make the size to 128px and decrease the opacity to around 20 and go to hardness and decrease this hardness to 1 and tap on the zoom button, set. Now select this black to the, select this color to the black, tap on tick. Now draw on the bottom portions like this. Okay, draw the bottom portion like this. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is, you have to add a smoky effect in the bottom. Okay, now go to add photo and select this add photo and you have to add the smoky effect. I will give that smoky effect PNG link in the description, you can download that. Friends, it is the smoky effect. Now zoom in like this and bring it to bottom. Okay, bring it to bottom and go to blend, make it screen and tap on this eraser, decrease the hardness, increase the size, decrease the opacity. Now draw on the bottom like this. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Okay, now what you have to do is, again go to draw and same you have to repeat again like this, a little. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Now we have to add to text. Okay, go to text and write whatever you want. I am going to write the editor. You can write your name and tap on tick and go to my stickers and select the different fonts you want. Okay, this font is also nice, bring it down and arrange it here. Okay, this is also nice. Okay, I am going to fix for this and stroke, give a little stroke, a little. Okay, and now go to shadow and give white color shadow and the position bring aside, give a little opacity, a decrease, a little blur. Okay, done. Now tap on go to text and I am going to write creative. Write everything in caps. Done. And I am going to add a different font to this. I will give the stylish fonts website link in the description. You can go and download there. Zoom in and bring it down and arrange it in the bottom like this. Okay, done. Our stylish neon circle photo editing is ready. It is how it look like. You can also edit your images like you seen in thumbnail like this. All you have to do is you have to follow my video and download this background photo link and these fonts. I will give website. Okay, you can write whatever font you can add. Okay, this is the end of the video. And if you like my teaching and this concept, okay, I have different concept photo editing tutorials in my channel, so you can go and see, and I hope you like them. And finally go to draw and save your image and have fun. See you in next video with new concept photo editing. Okay, please consider subscribe and leave a like. Okay, see you next video.